How to change sound mode on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change sound mode on Android phone. First then open settings, and now just scroll down until you find here this one, sounds and vibration. Click on it, and as you see here you will find this one, first one, sound mode. And here you can change it, just you can select sound or vibration or silent, and that's it. Then just go back, it will be saved. Just manage here anything you want and go back, and that's it. And that's how to change sound mode on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.